Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Unruly Woman Attacks Police During Uber Ride Dispute by NY Detective.
I'm gonna drag you out of this car. You understand me?
Oh, damn.
Go ahead.
Absolutely.
Yep.
If you don't step out of this car.
Brutality. Okay. Go ahead.
Come on. Step out. Step out.
Ooh,
On November 18th, 2022, an officer was flagged down by an Uber driver while stopped at a red light. The driver reported having an issue with a passenger, prompting the officer to direct him to a nearby parking lot to continue the conversation safely.
Okay, what's the issue? What's going on?
I'm sorry. She's been disrespectful the whole ride, and I just asked her to get out, and she's refusing to do that.
This is civil.
Can you listen? I understand this is civil.
The
Are you
ride.
gonna take me home?
No.
The ride has
Absolutely,
been.
this is
the
your
service
responsibility.
was terminated, so.
You're
Okay,
with this man. Excuse me.
I'm not doing
operator,
this.
Are you still on
Listen.
the line? Because you're not speaking now.
You need to hang up. You're with me now.
I'm not with you. I'm on the phone. I'm with this man.
Okay.
She's acting
Who's
dangerous.
freaking out
She's yelling.
56 minutes.
He has no reason.
56 minutes after my ride. Are you gonna arrest him for speeding?
Absolutely not.
For what? Because he endangered my life. I
Okay.
can press charges on you right now.
Okay. You need to get out.
I want to press charges.
Get out of the car.
I want to press charges.
You're being extra.
I'm not.
You
Because
have nothing
you
to press
haven't listened
charges.
to my situation.
Okay, so step out so I can talk.
want to press charges.
Step
I'm not
out of the
getting
car
this car.
so I can
you
talk.
put me out this car?
Step out of the car so we can
So
talk.
he's in the wrong.
Step out of the car so we can talk.
I want to
separate.
press charges
For what?
for speeding, endangering my life.
No.
He's an Uber driver. I paid him to take me to
Okay.
one destination
That's fine.
to the other.
And he can end the ride, and that's it.
not what I'm suing him for.
You're not suing
I'm
anybody.
suing him for endangering my life. Yes, I am.
Okay, you can sue anybody you want in this
So where's
country.
your papers?
What papers?
Your clipboard, so I can press charges.
I'm not doing anything for that.
Because you're not doing your job.
No, you're being. I can see why. I can see why. I can see why he doesn't want to take you anywhere. You can end the ride. You can end the ride.
I'm sure you do.
You can. He can end the
I'm sure
ride.
you do.
It's
I
a
want
civil
to press
matter.
charges, and I can press charges. Is that right?
Press charges for what?
For endangering my life.
Okay, you want to step out then, so we can
I don't
talk?
want to step out. I want you to bring the clipboard to me.
No, that's not how this works.
How does it work, officer?
You step out of the car and you speak with me like a civil person.
Also, Lost, if he endangering your life and a cop asks you multiple times to get out the car, and even the Uber driver has asked you to get out the car, why haven't you just gotten your ass up out the car? Obviously, he ended the ride. The cop is asking you to get out the ride. He asking you to get out the ride. Just get out the damn ride.
Yes, you do.
I want to press charges.
For what?
I already told you a million times. Is this
If
recording?
you don't get out, I'm
Absolutely,
gonna have to
yeah.
press charges. This
Recording.
is
I'm going to press charges right back on you. Hello.
You have nothing to press
That's not how that works.
in my vehicle. You're being asked to leave the vehicle.
Press
I'm going to call Uber support. Your Uber's going to be canceled. You're not going to be able to get to your appointments,
I
all
have
right?
money. What appointment?
You're not going to be able to get to any other
What are you
appointments,
talking
all right?
about?
Good luck, all right? You know,
What appointment?
Why are we doing this? I don't understand why you.
I don't understand this shit neither.
Okay.
you want to test me? 'Cause I'm not.
And that's criminal?
So that's now a false
I'm gonna
accusation
press
on high.
charges
That's
on
fraud.
you.
So now do you want to be
speed
sued for
limit.
fraud?
Are you drunk?
I'm not drunk. You want me to go ahead?
She is.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's go to the
Let's
press.
tell the
So
officer.
now
Why
you're on
you
recording.
talking to me?
Now you're on recording
I've been on
accusing me of
recording.
being
That's
drunk.
what you said,
You're on
right?
recording of
I've been
accusing
on
me of
recording.
being on
That's fine.
drugs.
So you can show
That's
him
fraud.
the recording.
Okay, that's fraud.
I'm not.
What is your name?
Officer Rodriguez.
Can I get your clipboard so I can press charges?
I am not doing any of that. You need to step out of the car, and we are going to have a civilized conversation because what you're doing right now, it's the most, and it's not going to end well for you.
You don't sound like an officer of any type of form. Who are you serving here? Yourself? Are you trying
the city of Orlando.
him?
The city of Orlando.
Who are you serving?
Listen to
Who do
me.
you serve?
This is a civil matter.
As soon as
we can escalate this to something else. Okay?
As soon as I seen them eyelashes when she went to the side like this, I knew this was gonna be a long ass video.
Right. This lady is being the most.
He hasn't heard me out not 1 second, officer. The only thing he's listening to.
He has a right to end the ride.
He has.
He has no right to take
And
you
I have
anywhere.
the right to press charges.
For what?
Which I've
Explain
been
to me.
saying
I've asked you to step out of the car. I've asked you to
already
step out of the
told
car.
you, officer.
Let me talk to him.
You haven't let me press charges. What do you mean?
Talk to this officer.
Yeah, I want to press charges on this man. Yeah, so I want to press charges.
Where's the location? Where's the end?
It's some hotel. I've already canceled the ride, so I don't even have the location
I want
anymore.
to press charges. I know how. So yes, I've been
just,
waiting. Hello.
go ahead and turn
That's
it.
all he had to say, but I can't
Yeah,
press
no,
charges.
you know, she had me pick her up from one hotel.
I don't want to get out. I want you to bring
She's having me take her to another hotel.
Okay.
You know.
Oh, that's what it is right there. Now it finally makes sense. She got picked up from one hotel and was taken to another. So it looks like she got kicked out of one hotel because, you know what I'm saying, her services maybe weren't up to par and she had a little money she was supposed to make. Then when she didn't do what she was expected to do, you know what I'm saying, he probably kicked out. Now she feeling some type of way because she didn't miss out on this money. Now she's trying to go to another hotel, but she still stopped from the last one because she just got kicked out her session. It makes sense now. She got a problem with leaving. She got abandonment issues.
She's been disrespectful the whole ride. You know, she started yelling at me. Obviously, she's getting upset and screaming. So, you know, it's my right to ask her to get out of the car.
Absolutely.
It is.
100%.
I have to call my support because this is my boss and I have to let them know.
100%. I would do the same thing, especially the way she's acting.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Facts.
ridiculous.
2.3 miles. I've been disrespectful this whole time. Are y'all hearing what's coming out of this man's mouth? That makes no sense.
She did everything but get out the car.
Come on.
White privilege. I ain't even mad.
The most.
You're fucking
His name is Rodriguez. My name is Rodriguez. It's not white privilege.
Look at you. You have
Don't interact with her.
I'm
You
sorry.
can't even
You're
name
right.
an example of how it was disrespectful to you. You can't even point it out. That's crazy.
He's not gonna drive her anywhere. The ride's been ended. She just doesn't want to talk to anybody. She doesn't want to understand.
Where's my refund? That's what I want. You told me on recording that I would not be charged for the ride. So where's my refund? And I recorded this man going 85 miles, 15, damn near 20 miles over the speed limit, bro. I told him kindly. I said, hey, the speed limit 60. He did slow down. So I don't understand where this is coming from, but obviously that's his privilege. He thinks he can do whatever he wants. His night is ruined. I don't know what the this man thinking, honestly. I ain't did shit to him this entire ride. I'm 2.3 miles away from my destination. This man pulled over to that parking lot and said, sorry, this ride has been blah, blah. No, what's the reason? Oh, you're on recording. It's my ride. It's my ride. Yeah, where are your rights? I want to see it.
All right, so you're not willing to get out of the vehicle. Is that my understanding?
Hell no.
Ma'am?
Excuse me.
No,
Excuse me.
the officer.
5191. This is not my destination. Michael. My brother's name is Michael. 2 months on Uber. No wonder. This is how I get treated. 2 months.
Man, why haven't y'all got this laid out there, man? Car, he is an Uber driver. He make his money off of driving. If he not driving, he not making no money.
Your name Michael, right? Hello?
Have you filed the complaint against Uber already?
That's his job, ain't it? That's his right.
Well, no,
He's
that's-
filing a complaint.
that's-
I want my refund. That's all I was told, so that's all I want. The plan. I'm gonna file charges though, because I got the report.
Can you step out of the vehicle at least?
84 ain't going up. 85. Speed limit $60. 60 miles per hour. That's him, right? Tesla.
Okay. Are you willing to step out of the vehicle, ma'am?
I want my refund. When I get my refund, I'll step up.
Well, it doesn't work like
I
that.
want my refund. You don't know how it works, obviously. Obviously, neither one of y'all know how it works. I ain't touch this man. I ain't yell at this man. I ain't do shit.
Well,
You're my ride.
you're now refusing to get
Am
out
I
of
under
this vehicle.
arrest? Has he called you?
You
Am I
could
under
be.
arrest for what?
You could be.
Oh, for what?
Trespassing in a conveyance.
Okay.
He's telling you to get out of the vehicle.
You ain't told me shit.
You're refusing to get out of the vehicle. You told us you're not getting out of the vehicle. It's all on body camera.
She dumb as hell.
Exactly what you said. You said you're not getting out until you get your refund. And that's not how that works.
I still haven't got my clipboard. I want to press charges. What's going on here?
A clipboard for what?
I want
You want to press charges
Man, I used
for
to
what
live
is it
10
again?
minutes up the road. How many times I gotta tell you?
Why you ain't just get out and walk?
My life.
What are you doing your
Attempted
life?
murder. I ain't got no seatbelt on. I mean, here.
So you're not wearing a seatbelt. How old are you?
He's responsible, right?
5 years old.
You know how to put a seatbelt on, right? Hey, I don't know what your name is.
Yeah.
Hang up the phone. Let's just solve this. We don't have all night to be hanging out here. She's getting disgruntled. What do we want to do? You want to press charges if she refuses to leave?
I mean, what am I supposed
Yes
to do
or no,
here?
dude?
Yes or no?
I mean, I need her out of the car. So,
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
if she is,
All right.
what do I have? You tell me what I have to do to get her out of the
Okay.
car.
Yep. We're gonna go with this officer. You're gonna write a statement.
Can I
You're
write
gonna
my
press charges.
statement?
Absolutely not.
I'm not talking to you.
You're gonna step
I
out of
don't
this
want to
car.
talk to you.
Okay.
That's my right, right?
I'm gonna give
Do I have
you.
to
No.
talk
I'm gonna give you the opportunity
Do
to
I
step
have
out
to
of this
talk
car.
to you
Absolutely.
specifically?
It doesn't matter if it's me or not. I'm gonna give you the opportunity so that you don't have to go to jail
Are you going to
tonight.
drag me out of my car? Are you going to drag me out this car?
If you don't step out of this car, okay.
You know the
the
answer to it.
opportunity that I'm about to give you.
You're not the driver. This
Okay.
isn't even your right. Are you in your jurisdiction right now?
Absolutely.
Where's the driver?
If you don't
Since
step
you're
out of this
making
car,
these allegations,
if you don't
the
step
driver
out of this
hasn't
car-
told me to get out of his car yet.
I'm gonna drag you out of this car. You understand me?
That's in your rights. Go ahead.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If you don't step out of this car-
brutality.
Okay.
Go ahead. Drag me out.
Open
Drag
this
me
car
out.
up.
I'm 97 pounds. Drag me out.
Come on, step out.
I'm 97 pounds. So drag. You can ask me.
Come on, step out.
Look at
Oh.
I'm not.
About time. Y'all been lip wrestling with her for like 10 minutes, bro. I've been waiting on this. Like, god dang, she need to press charges against her stupidity. That's what she need to press charges on. Because it ain't no way that you can't get out and walk 2 miles. What's 2 miles? It's a 30-minute walk. Ooh. That's a whole outfit.
Really though?
Stop.
I'm not doing
Stop
that.
resisting.
You mother.
Push your hand.
You mother, bro. You straight silly mother, bro. I swear to God. I got all my bond money, bitch. Charge me.
I will.
I swear to God you going to jail,
Oh,
ho.
bad on Leo.
I would never say no shit like that because why would I give the city free money? This is free money right now.
I swear to God you going to jail, ho. Can I get up with my knees? Can I get up with my knees? You ain't got to drag me out.
You got any weapons on you?
You got no weapons on me.
You hear
What the I'm wearing, ho? You, you,
Relax.
A whole fit.
you,
That's fine.
you, and your mama. Yeah, put me in the car, and I want all my phones out that man's car, and that's my wife. Yeah, for real though.
I'm glad I'm not her Uber driver.
Stop touching me, bruh. All that shit on camera. You feel good? You feel good about yourself?
I would have been like, World Star.
You look like that?
Sit down.
I want all my shit out of that car. I am sitting down. Why are you touching me? You sound dumb.
Put your feet up.
You sound so. Hey, yo, put the light on me. Yo, you don't want to though.
Every time we watch one of these videos and you have an unruly person that's getting arrested and they do all this talking, every time they shut that door, I'd be like, ah.
Stop doing that.
Oh, now she kicking.
You need to stop doing that.
Stop doing that.
That's gotta be her feet.
Okay.
Stop doing that. Stop doing that.
I'm charging you. Open the door.
This lady is
You
wild.
need to stop doing that.
I'm charging you. I'm gonna picture every part of my body right now.
Okay.
Cause you just abused me.
Do you need medical attention?
You just abused. Hey, I said I want pictures.
Do you need medical
I
attention?
want pictures of every part of my body right now. On everything I love.
Do you want medical
Cause I'm
attention?
pressing charges on you. Not your company. You personally. I'm pressing charges on you.
Right behind Chick-fil-A.
Let's just got her stuff. I'm just gonna take her straight.
Why you ain't saying nothing?
What is there to say?
Huh?
You wanted to. If you
Why
wanted to
aren't you
talk,
saying anything?
we would have talked. But you decided you didn't want to do that.
I don't care, bro. I don't want to ride in a car with you, bro. going back to Orange County.
Why'd you do this?
I'm not talking to you. Can you please stop talking to me? Yes or no? Or you just want to be a police officer the rest of your life? Yeah, you done told your buddies what you did. That's why all them emojis on your phone.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, that's why all them emojis on your phone. Where they replying to your group chat.
That's my family.
You know, family members texting those emojis at 2 o'clock in the morning.
My
She
family's
pissed.
from
So, stop talking to me.
different time zone.
That's why you in here by yourself. They're trying to protect you, bruh. Yeah. All this shit on recording.
Echo 6 now.
Orange County,
He doesn't
all
have a
dirty.
partner. Duh.
And if I can,
Copy
I will
starting.
press charges on you personally. You ain't answering that question or you being real quiet.
45580.
That got you wrapped in your fingers. You think you so protected because you're on duty. Off duty, what you gonna do? Nothing.
Are you gonna tell me your name? Okay.
Yeah, please. I'm already in your custody.
Yeah.
If you ask me my name before
She'll just be a Jane Doe and they'll call it a day.
you arrested me, before you threw me on the ground,
Right.
put my face in the ground multiple times, and my face burning, and you over there chilling, driving and shit, talking about I punched you. You
You did punch me.
You did all that for what? No. For what? Nothing. It didn't take 3 of y'all to put my ass on the ground. You crazy? Ain't nobody called at the ambulance. No, y'all see my face. No, I'm bleeding. I can see through my black skin. Where did you go to school? Who gave you your badge? Orange County. I bet. You know what you did? Pass all your written.
Dang, why she hate Orange County so much?
You good in the book? I bet. You're not good in the field. You're not. Look how you just treated me. A female.
Right.
You're not good in the field. You're not. Press all the charges you want to, bruh. Whoever you are, I'm gonna find out if I can file charges against you personally. I swear to God.
Well, you'll know what I am. Like, you'll know
Can I file charges against you personally? Yes or no?
what charges you're gonna file against
Why
me.
aren't you answering the question? It's a simple yes or no answer.
You can file a complaint.
I'm not filing a complaint. I want to file charges.
Okay. Well, we'll go to court for this. No worries.
Yes or no?
You can do whatever you want.
Hey, bring all your shit.
You can do whatever you want.
It's a free country, babe.
Yeah, everything's recorded.
I'm glad. Keep it.
We're recording right now.
What the hell y'all do? I don't know. I don't care. But I want all that shit in court. Since you want to claim I hit you, I'm going to file a whatever the I'll sue you for attempted murder.
Huh? Where? Where did he do that at?
I'll put you in court for a felony. Do you know that?
Okay.
She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, resisting an officer without violence, trespassing in a conveyance, and possession of cannabis less than 20 grams.
Oh, that's what it was. Okay.
Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As always, it's been a pleasure. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and comment button as well. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.